Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Train your brain to make more money. Most people grow up believing that making money is mainly about working harder, getting a good job, or being lucky. While these things matter, the truth is that your mindset, the way you think and feel about money, has an even greater influence on your financial success. Your brain determines your habits, your confidence, and your reactions to opportunities and challenges. By learning to control and train your thoughts, you can change your relationship with money and open the door to greater wealth. Your beliefs about money shape how you behave. For instance, if you believe that money is hard to earn, you might unconsciously avoid risks or limit your goals. On the other hand, if you believe that money is abundant and that you can learn the skills to attract it, you will look for new ways to create value. Successful entrepreneurs often say that they made up their minds before they made their millions. This is not magic, it's mindset. When you believe you can succeed, your brain becomes more alert to possibilities and more willing to take smart risks. Psychologists often distinguish between two mental frameworks, the growth mindset and the fixed mindset. People with a growth mindset believe that intelligence, creativity, and skill can be developed through effort and learning. They see failure as feedback, not as defeat. When something goes wrong, they analyze it, adjust their approach, and try again. In contrast, people with a fixed mindset think their abilities are permanent. They may avoid challenges because they don't want to look foolish, and as a result, they rarely grow. In terms of money, a fixed mindset can trap you in fear of investing, fear of negotiating, or fear of starting something new. Training your brain to think in terms of growth helps you take more calculated risks and see setbacks as stepping stones toward success. If you constantly tell yourself, I'm not good with money, your brain starts to believe it. But if you begin to affirm, I can learn to manage money wisely, your brain slowly builds that new belief. You can reprogram your brain for wealth by practicing a few daily habits. Set specific goals. Define what financial success looks like for you. Visualize success. Spend a few minutes each day imagining yourself achieving your goals. Visualization strengthens motivation and focus. Learn continuously, read books, attend workshops, or listen to podcasts about finance and entrepreneurship. The more you learn, the more confident you become. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with affect your mindset. Seek out those who inspire, not those who complain. Practice gratitude. Appreciating what you have reduces fear and scarcity thinking, making you more open to opportunities. Training your brain is not just about positive thinking, it's about developing consistent action. Real financial growth happens when mindset meets movement. Once you have the right thoughts, you must take the right steps. Budgeting, saving, investing, and innovating. Small, disciplined actions build momentum. Over time, this combination of mental strength and practical effort transforms how you create and handle money. The process of training your brain does not produce results overnight like physical exercise. It requires patience and consistency, but the long term payoff is powerful. You become calmer under pressure, more confident in your decisions, and more creative when facing challenges. You stop seeing money as a problem and start seeing it as a tool for freedom and growth. Now I will tell you a short story. Once there was a young man named Leo who worked long hours at a job he didn't love. Every payday he'd sigh his money was gone as fast as it came. One day his mentor told him, "You don't have a money problem, Leo. You have a mindset problem." Leo started reading about money, listening to podcasts, and writing down every idea that could earn him more. Soon he began to see opportunities everywhere, selling online, freelancing, investing a little at a time. Months passed and something changed. Leo's income grew, but more importantly, so did his confidence. He realized wealth starts in the mind long before it shows in the bank. When you train your brain to think like a creator instead of a consumer, money starts chasing you.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.